guys, it's me, Miss Jody, and I was wondering, first of all, if you guys heard the thunder and saw any of the lightning that was there the other day, because that was amazing. And that brings us to our whole topic for the week, weather in the garden. So that was a lot of weather in the garden. It woke me up the other morning. I've made you a video of lots of different kinds of weather in my garden. There is rainy weather and windy weather and sunny weather. So you have a few things to look for. So in the rain, you can see maybe some raindrops. There's a waterspout and a rain barrel. And you can hear rain coming down and water splashing. In the windy day, you can see a wind chime and you can see leaves blowing and flowers blowing. And you can hear the chiming and the rustling of the leaves. On the sunny day, you can see shadows and vegetables and a gardener. There's a garden hose, and you can hear the music that the gardener is working to. And you can hear some birds too. You can hear birds in the windy day too, I think. So there are lots of things to look for, lots of things to listen for, lots of different kind of weather in the garden. Hope you enjoy.